in 2017, actually, one of our first cases since I came to what is now the legal division of MLFA, was at the time CLCMA, is that we brought a lawsuit in Pecos, Texas, on behalf of what ultimately was 4 different inmates who were all Muslim. And they were challenging the fact that they had been denied religiously compliant meals. And by that, I mean that for these inmates, kosher meals were sufficient. That's what they wanted. But the prison chaplain on site at that facility told them, "You're not Jewish. The kosher meal plan is for Jewish inmates. You don't get the kosher meal plan, and we don't have another one, so we cannot accommodate you. Sorry." So we filed that lawsuit in 2017. And then by the end of 2019, we had reached a settlement with the facility and with the private entity that runs the facility, that they changed their policies, they changed their regulations, they changed the definition of a religious meal, they changed who can approve and who needs to approve a request for a religious accommodation, and then it has to go to more than just one set of eyes. And we had in the settlement that one particular on-site chaplain received a memo explaining to him that he couldn't say that anymore, and that it wasn't up to him to decide. So we filed it in 2017. We got the resolution at the end of 2019. Ideally, that would be the end of the story, but it was not. In 2021, we received a request from another inmate at that facility who had received the exact same response from that exact same chaplain on site, explaining to him that because he's not Jewish, he could not get the kosher meal plan, and there was no other religiously accommodated meal available. So I contacted the attorney who had represented the facility from 2017 to 2019 and said, "You might want to make a phone call. This is your polite, complimentary, professional heads up, and maybe just talk to your guys." And about a week later, we heard back that our inmate got what he wanted, and he got his religious accommodation that he requested, and so did others. And apparently there was also some retraining which occurred. So that was a great result.